Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 19 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we were able to create the same extrusion that we have on the first floor. So now, on the rooftop. So now it's gonna be in the second floor as well, and as you can see, everything looks nice. We added some glass on top of where the balconies are, so that it's much safer and it's a lot easier for us to see that this is the balcony. What I want to do is go to south elevation, and I just want to add something right here, just a simple model in place, extrusion, so that it looks much better for the border wall. So I'm gonna do an extrusion, pick a plane, and select this one, and this will be just simple and then this will be extruded around 20, and I just want a simple wavy look. I just want to maintain 150, and then this one 150 as well. And then one more. And then here, I just want something like that. And then I want a wave here instead, and then trim and extend. So simple, but it looks much better like that. And you want to make sure we change the material to something that we haven't used yet. Okay, so something like that. It's not something big, but it will make it really nice. So I'm just gonna move this one a little bit, something like that. Okay, so now that we have that one, might as well just add something here as well. I was just using this one. And might as well add the same thing here. Here I'm just going to align it. And there we go. Good enough for that one. And Next thing is I want to set this one so that every time I open this will be my starting view. To do that, what you need to do first is to go to ground floor, create your image. So I'm gonna create a camera view and I'm gonna take a picture like that. You want to make sure that it's all covered, and you could use, like, for example, a realistic, and I'm gonna use this 3D view number 1. I'm gonna go to manage and click on starting view and use this one, 3D view number 1. So every time I open this is the look that I would get. So that's the starting view. And then now we go to our first floor. We need to add informations here. So for example, I'm gonna add in room, but here it's all open. So before you do that, you can use room separator so that you can separate locations. So for example, here this will be my living or family room, and then this will be my dining area, and then this will be my kitchen. I'm gonna close it off. So you need to close it off with either the line that you create from the room separator or from wall to wall. So similar to this is my line for the living area or the family room, but I connected this one, and then this will be my extra room right here, living. We could put this one family, or this will be living area and then this will be family room, or vice versa. And then you can also close this off or just open this one. This will be the location where you have this one right here, the pool area. So I think we're good with closing it off. So what you can do now is, as you can see, this will be family or living. This will be another room with a washroom right here. This will be corridor, and this will be the kitchen, and we have the backyard area, and then laundry. This will be pantry right here, and you don't need to worry because our scale is 1:100. You will be able to change that once you change the scale, and it will react to the scale and it will make it smaller. So here pantry, sorry, this is laundry. This is pantry right here. This will be my family room. This will be my living, dining area, and this will be kitchen. Make sure to use all caps. This will be bedroom number 1. This will be washroom 1. This will be a corridor, and then backyard. Okay, we can make this, tag this one as well. This will be our carport, and then we could make this one our front yard. Okay, so we're good with this. Let's go to our second floor to add some tag. Here we could have another entertainment area, so we could use this one. This will be our masters with ensuite, bedroom 2 with its own washroom and another walk-in closet. And then here you could close this off so that you could put a walk-in closet right there as well. Tag. This will be the shared washroom. And then here I'm gonna add in some room separator so that I could tag it as walk-in closet. Okay, and then we have those balcony that we created. Walk-in closet, master's bedroom. This will be ensuite. Entertainment area. And then here as well, you can do that. This will be bedroom number 2. Washroom 2. Walk-in closet 2. And then we have the shared washroom. We have bedroom 3 and then bedroom 4. Okay. And then now we could prepare this, so we need another section. I'm gonna do a section onto this, and I wanted to showcase all of this. So this is for when we're creating the sheets, and then this will be my other section right there, and then we could delete this. Okay, so that one we can delete. So now I just want to double check. We haven't added the pool for the pool, so I'm gonna put 100 instead here so that it's kind of flush, and then it's actually not good idea to have grass around the pool. So I'm gonna edit that boundary. I'm going to make this one like that, and then that. I'm going to align it, and then click finish, and then let's add in another floor. Edit, duplicate, and then another concrete material. Then trim and extend right here, and we could just add this one. Click finish. Now it looks much better. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to go to the description, go to the second link, and we need to download Pull Ladder. So download that, and then once you download, go right here, and then just simply drag and drop. And then here we could add it like that. Let's rotate this, and I'm gonna add it right about here. And as you can see, we have our pull ladder there. We could increase this one right here, and then we're good. And then also I'm going to edit the boundary right here. Let's add, of course, the same one on the other side. Click finish, and then after that, what we're gonna do is, let's double check here first, because it's saying that it's overlapping. I want to actually be on top of that. But the 30 is not bad actually, so we're adding that. And this one is the one that is overlapping. We just need to fix that and push it somewhere there. But actually what I'm planning to do is to have this one offset. I'm gonna offset this one to -200. Right, offset is 0 for that. This one is too much, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit this part. I'm gonna make it 100 only for the thickness, and then this one as well, -100. There we go. So it fits right there. And what we can do is go to ground floor, select this one, and I want to split it. So here I'm going to split it right here, to here, and then split it right here to here, but we need to add another one. And then go to 3D, this one should be negative 90. Negative 90. There we go. Click on tab so that it chooses 90 on that. Click on tab until you'll be able to select only that one, negative 90. There we go. And then it's just a matter of just adding. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this one, some designs right here so that it looks realistic. Now we need a sweep, and then pick path. Select this path right here. Select finish, edit profile, and then we want to make sure to change the material again. Let's use bamboo. We haven't used that. And then here we're going to make this so 25, and then here let's do 100 here, and then the thickness to be 5, 25 here, and then the whole full height, and then here 100 again, and then thickness is 5. And then now we need to trim and extend all of them. There we go. So bamboo, and then this, and we could fillet art this to make it look nice. 15 there, and then 15 here as well. And then I'm gonna copy this so that I can do it on the other side. Click finish, and then finish. And by simply creating that, as you can see, everything looks really nice. And then go flip it on the other side, create another sweep. This is just a straight one. Click finish, edit profile, and then Control V to add it. We need to mirror this, and then delete, and then move this to the correct insertion, MV, and this will be the insertion. Click finish, make sure it's the same material, and then you click on finish. So now everything looks like that, and I'm happy. I think we're finished with our modeling, and in the next video I'm gonna show you how to create the sheets. So thank you for watching, and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. feel free to comment down below.